Say sisi asenia ade no akwakoye no every single day I was say yebremo updates on Obinim in police custody. 2 days ago and I think 3 days ago the story in the bremo say police were actually Obinim 2 days ago eba say ya granting a bail. Na bail ni mono ye ni ayenim say ebia ye jane se wonko fie. Wo hwe bail conditions na ye de by say 100,000 Ghana cedis, 3 sureties, 1 to be justified. Me mamoti say me sa legal terms no 3 sureties, 1 to be justified no I am not a legal practitioner into mentiasie. Na ne nemu no endra me the report bro say emma mienu ana mamefo mienu a wo mo wo bi nim family members e ba bonte me ka say police for asheda wo mo mpese wo mo bejai wo bi nim emu wo mo beso me grant ni bail no because wo mo tu no wo mo aba bonte say wo mo ebe ma wo bi nim bail wo mo the document aba document no it satisfies the bail conditions and so still police for mpese wo mo bejai wo bi nim mo na enkrofo mienu no we heard from police for our moka sedabi the reason why they are not leaving Obinim no enye say ebia wo mo aheda enye say bo apayobi. Now the main reason is say bail condition no 3 sureties with 1 to be justified. It is still Obinim enya so I want to be justified no. I have told you I don't understand that 1 to be justified 3 sureties terms now wo mo kan no but police for the omo kan and no not as still it was a Obinim wo police custody. Na anopa we so ya sorry ye report ayate from police custody not as a Obinim wada police station ho just say wada ho for about 2 days ni inti wada ho the first night them said the second night na Obinim empese wo beda ho biom ana say ebia na ye mekre but report ayate from police for extra say Obinim ekate police for ne say ne ho emfa no inti wasre wo mo emfa no enko hospital na yenhwe no na eno ene yesi police for ne didai no muka se dabi yemfa wo enko hospital yemma wo mbema yen se edwuma no se yemfa enko hospital ne yensa nsuko gina so se yehwe dabi obeda ha ya nti eno na nkrofo kan se akoye se that particular custody police custody will be nim da no won person obeda ho ena obeso okoda hospital just like the first one na yetete ye say police for kochi will be nim ena o se wo yare ena nsem bebre no. So that's the report we are hearing. Say Obinim ekate police for say ne ho fa no yemfa no nko hospital. Police for deny say wo mo empene. Wo mo hwe say still wo mo ate say wo bi eba aba bebeli wo bi nim say I want surety no wo mo ate say ne pa ko no eba na tre say wo mo de nkrata ebia ne nsa ase nkrata bi wo mo de Lands Commission no ma ko hwe say ne krese asase no wo nipa ko ne din mu na ye de Obinim back to court. Na yakwa execute the bail condition no not as a yejana say wonko fie. So as of now we are speaking Obinim is still in police custody. That's the latest update yede ebremo on Obinim insensem no asemo eda ho no na Ghana fo bebre hwe wo mo adwen ibi mo kan. But you see the whole thing about this issue ne say me dey bia meka asem bia besi bia no 2 ways ade a esi it could be say eyenekre and now say enyenekre. It could be say genuinely Obinim is sick and he's not feeling well and our person yede no eco hospital. It could also be say ebia wo feki one person wo beda prison ho and one person beda police custody ho and our person yede no eyeden eco hospital no. Nti 2 ways but whichever way no the ayate and say the police have declined that request from Obinim. Na lawyer for wo monia bread the denden ya mo pese wo mo na bail conditions no wo mo execute na wo bi nim ekofie etiefo Obinim we die wa konso hwem na ya arrest wo bi nim arrest no wo Ghana me say dey bia me ka se menya time na maye news on the number of times Obinim have been arrested but na menya time during the day ni edu me light na say me nso my distracted kakra. But the whole thing is say all the times ya arrested will be no me sure say ne ho afa ne say da all the times ya arrested no me sure say ne ho afa ne say da na me sure say obi nim na ko betumi akọ back to time a na kembra Kennedy Japan ba abonte be kasa first no na ko ye kum. I am very sure say na nke yema obi nim say won sesa onfa emre oma emre ensan enko nechi na ko obi nim ma emre ensan enko nechi na yanko back to when Kennedy Japan first blasted obi nim. Now I was listening to Abrantie Bia na we are very close to obi nim obi a wonim and the OBTV no and na Abrantie we so na OBTV ababeda ne OBTV no Abrantie ne din de Sami Rasta Sami Rasta na woni Kweku Menu interview bi na Abrantie ne kanyansa sembia na me hu se he eto de bia won uyi sikini a the people around you is either they will help you or not. Abrantie ne kan sembi me de wase obi nim ene Kennedy Japan asema ende akwakoto se ye di obi nim akọ prison no nanka obi nim asem enya asem bia nanka wo se obi nim kra wo so emaniko dane ana ososo maniko duru ha. Abrantie ne se wono nanka still won sa Abrantie no woni obi nim enya asem ema obi nim kra babonti abebo sa Abrantie ni bia eye Sami Rasta no na Sami Rasta ne se nanka still wo obi nim ho a nanka ade obeyeni because initially na obi nim na asem ye de Embra Kennedy Japan be kasa about coronavirus say obi nim say coronavirus e duro no initially na obi nim asem ye de obi sheda ko twa video e make obi nim look bad no de come Kennedy Japan so wonya full video ne nhwe ye nti wono so video na wonya no eno na wo ka ho asem nti Abrantie ne say nanka de wo se obi nim eye ana wono nanka wo ben obi nim still anaka de obeye ne say wo be fa full video no na wo de akọ Kennedy Japan ho because onu de wonim say Kennedy Japan ne kre na ope won sheda betena TV so say wo say obi din itina ko be fa full video no de akọ Kennedy Japan ho akọ ka say Ken mesrewa asemo a wo kan ye full video nini obi no pese o say mi din na ka Kennedy Japan na nkasa hwe video na wono nkasa be ba abonti abeka say oh asemo a me be ka fa obi nim ho na nyesa na te ba de obi nim so ye ne say obi nim nkola no eka na Kennedy Japan kawa unso wo se o kan ni bi na obi nim so kokoti wo beti na TV so edidi Kennedy Japan atem ma ende bebi akwa wie no na we I know say embra asem we buy no I was in support of obi nim replying Kennedy Japan because I felt say Kennedy Japan asem a wo be kan na enye na kre efa obi nim ho. So for me personally, so I was in support of Obinim replying Kennedy Japan. But send the asem no akwa do echie no. What ye asem one? Sa Sami Rasta no eka. Unhu say yes. Sami Rasta na asem a waka no nyansa asem wom. Yes, meti ase eto de bia obi ka asem na ehyewa odi ebufuo to me ba bonte be react. But eto de bi nso a unya ntobo ase na oben nipa kro no na wo tre nipa ko no ensem ni so a utumi hu ne say yes. Ebema bibia akọ smoothly. And this particular way no nanka wo bi nim eye ne sa even though no wo bi nim na sem eye de but nanka wo bi nim eye ne sa nanka eno ano no nanka ende ne ho emba metre ni sei wada police station a wo sre se yenja ni mu na won ko hospital na okoje ayaresa police for ese wo mu enja ni mu no. You see where the whole thing started from. And sometimes send ya Sami Rasta ne kan ne sometimes if you have people around you wo mo betu fu se dabi member TV so embedi ni pakona tem koko hu se ni pakro na yesi na one ne nkasa koko hu na andaji na one ne nkasa wo betie wo hu say yes ni pakona kro be ba bepe wa asem. So this one there it is true even though initially as the whole thing started it wasn't Obinim's fault but bibia akwa kodu no bibia ende akwa kodu no but ni name no me de maka asem ne de ye mpese beba beda ne Ghana nsensem a ye be yese ye beba be ma obi nimbe o na twese eno ano no because Ghana say emse sa na ete ye chi obi a emra ye be chi ne no na it looks like the police are serious with the matter ye be granting ni pa ko no be open no obo se na afi asem no sebi previous ya akoda ne sebi ensemfo. But we hope and pray that the police will see it through. I have told you here So some of the charges Kennedy Japan Air Cancer and Nuhunti police for Akwakochi will be no. Some of the charges obviously will not stand. And I've said it countless. And Brana Kennedy Japan Air Can say will be in video, will be in Air Can say opesike dra and no one say who kunwa kolani when that charge no that will be in so no. It will not stand because the full video is there. Obinim lawyer at the full video local court now you full video ne hu ne said Dabi Obinim was narrating a story will be Ebeka Chena court be hu ne said Dabi Obinim that did nothing wrong. Intinomimi Susu said some of the charges will not stand, but some of the charges in so it can stand. And only as someone a war money laundering and some forgery and some fake documents and some of them can stand. Intino, let's look through. This is good. Who supporting Obinim Kana? I will say we need you because if you are supporting Obinim, you believe that in some way you are turning so near a entro. Now, some a quarter evidence near be pay evidence a year bow TV so no you be scrutinizing on our court. You are the experts beba near who say a real or not. Inti say would you say Obinim ondi bonea? This is the time for you to be happy because your court near ko prove say ondi bonea. Ni di very clear. Ghana for be who say say Kennedy Japan be ye we echi Obinim tu muni na no court who say Obinim ondi boni biaye. And so yes, for the two sides, both Kennedy Japan and Obinim, everyone should be happy. Every supporter of these people should be happy. Intino, Montreal Mwadrin our comment box motive for. We look forward to Assembly going to court and seeing the outcome. Montreal Mwadrin, medase.